I have tested a lot of automatic litter boxes, closed ones, open ones, rake style ones, and most of them are trying to solve the same problem. Somebody has to scoot the litter. This one, the PetSnowy SNOW Plus, is trying to solve a second problem at the same time. It has a whole walkway built into the litter box. Your cat goes in, does its business, then has to walk through this little corridor before coming back out. So is that actually a smarter way to deal with litter tracking, or does it just make the box bigger and more complicated? And after having this in the house with 9 cats for a while, what other parts I will keep, what other parts I will change, and who should consider this one? By the end of this video, you will have a pretty clear answer. PetSnowy did send this one over for review, but they have no say in what I'm going to say about it. I have it running alongside my other automatic little boxes, and I will say the cons for the end. First, let's see what 9 cats make of it. Before we get into that walkway, here is the quick version of how it cleans itself. Your cat leads, the unit waits for the delay you set, then the litter bag rotates on its side. The screen separates clumps from clean litter and drops the weights into the drawer underneath. I also put the full dimensions and the rest of the basic specs on screen if you want to check it out. The auto cleaning part has been reliable in my use. I've been running clumping mineral litter in it and the cycles have cleared properly. There are 2 sifting screens in the box, but I will still stick with a good clumping clay or tofu litter. The better the clump holds together, the cleaner the cycle stays. I will leave the delay at around 10 minutes or longer, especially for urine clumps. Then when it's time for a deeper clean, you can just open the top, release the magnet pieces, and lift the litter bag out. It is a much simpler job than a seal globe usually is. Automatic litter boxes tend to have the same problem. The globe sits high to make room for the waste drawer. Your cat hops up with litter between their paws, and then you buy a separate litter trapping step or ramp. PetSnowy built that function into the access path. The cat walks through this curved walkway, and the removable texture insert catches loose grains. Its raised pattern helps open the paws as they walk across it. In my house, this has made a visible difference. A few grains still escapes because cats are cats, but much less is getting carried into the rest of the room. It is one footprint instead of a box plus a separate step sticking out in front of it. It looks long at first, but beside another automatic litter boxes plus a proper litter step, it takes up less awkward floor space. The space inside is on the smaller side. Most of my cats are around 3 to 5 kilos, and they're completely comfortable in here. They can get in and out easily, turn around, and still has some headroom. My biggest cat is close to 8 kilos, and he used this one much less. You can see why the second he goes in. The walkway is fine, but the globe feels cramped. If you have a big cat, put that above every other feature on your checklist. With around 30 visits a day across the cats, I'm adding litter every 4 days, give or take. The top opening keeps it quick. A clever entrance only gets you so far. The day-to-day routine still has to work. The app is simple. You can check activity, adjust the cleaning delay, and choose between auto cleaning or the schedule. I use auto mode most of the time. The records are fine if you want to check them. The setting I appreciate far more is quiet hours or night mode. During the day, the sound is about what you would expect from other automatic boxes. At night though, the motor is not always the part you hear. It is the sound of the clumps dropping into the drawer. If this is anywhere near a bedroom, give yourself a quiet window and let it wait until morning. Then there's the part every automatic litter box owner still have to deal with, empty the drawer. With most automatic litter boxes, you pull the drawer out and the bag is just sitting there wide open. After a week of use, that's usually the moment the smell hits you. Here, the bag closes as you pull the drawer out, then opens again when you slide it back in for the next cycle. It is a small innovation, but it noticeably takes the edges off when you change the bag. With this number of cats, I'm changing the bag about once a week. Behind this cover, a small fan moves air through the deodorizing module, and the TiO2 and UV system runs after the cat has left. The enclosed exits, sealed drawer, and that system all help keep odor contained for daily use. You still know what you are dealing with when it's time to take the bag out, but compared with opening a regular waste drawer, the smell is clearly reduced. The trade-off is the bag itself. This design works with PetSnowy's own bags. So you're kind of tied to that refill system. Right now, it's about $35 for 30 bags. It is a good design, but it is also an ongoing cost you should know about before buying. With any automatic litter box, safety is the part I watch most closely. A machine that responds quickly around cats is non-negotiable. Every time you plug it in and power it back on, the unit runs a self-check before it is ready to use. Separately, it checks the upper cover and the waste drawer whenever it's about to run a cleaning cycle. If either part is not seated properly, the cycle will not begin. Then you have the weight sensors underneath, one at each corner. During my testing, adding weights anywhere from the walkway to the litter bed stopped the rotation within about a second. So when a cat steps in, it reacts immediately. And the walkway gives it a useful buffer zone. Cats are naturally curious about something moving. If one comes over while the cycle is running, they usually step into the walkway first. The sensor catches that weight and stops the rotation before the cat even reaches the moving litter bed. I much prefer that to a cat walking straight into the globe. That's the behavior I saw in my own tasks, and it is the response I would want with night cats wandering around the house. I still treat every automatic litter box with respect, but nothing in my use has given me a safety concern here. There are three things to know before buying it. First, the privacy flap. You'll probably notice I took mine off. It is removable, which I'm glad about because I want the entry to feel open while cats are getting used to a new box. The flap can help with smell control, but I would start without it for the cautious cats. Second, the indicator lights. There are quite a few combinations, and I have to check the manual to work out what some of them meant. The app helps, but the machine should make that information clear on its own. Third is the bag system we just talked about. It is nice to use, but the convenience is tied to buying the refills. After having the Snow Plus alongside my other automatic little boxes, most of the cats have accepted well. For smaller and medium-sized cats, I think this is a very good first automatic little box. The cleaning performance has been dependable, the modular design makes maintenance less intimidating, and the curved walkway has reduced one of the most annoying parts of having a litter box in the house, litter ending up everywhere around it. For a big cat, I would look for something with a roomier glow. And if you hate the idea of paying for proprietary bags, factor that in before you order. But if your cat's fit space and litter tracking is a constant annoyance in your home, this is one of the most thoughtful designed automatic litter boxes I have tested. You can find the link in the description if you want to check it out. And if you have a cat that treats every litter trapping step like a launch pad, I want to hear how you have solved that one. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.